Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to invite a participant to a session after it is started. First, locate the participant's icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it. Then click on the Add Participants option. Next, select the Invite Participants option from the menu that appears. A pop-up window will appear, displaying a list of all available students or participants. Scroll through the list and select the participants you'd like to invite to your session. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific participants. After selecting the participants, they will be added to the list below. If you accidentally added someone you didn't mean to, simply click on their name to remove them from the list. Once you've finalized your participant list, click on the Send Invite button to send out the invitations. Additionally, you can share the session details with participants via external mediums such as WhatsApp, email, or Facebook. To do this, click on the Copy Session link option and paste it into your preferred messaging platform. All the added participants will receive an email notification once they have been successfully added to the session.
Roombr.